Hey guys, I'm back. I have a little bit. I have a cold, so I'll be coughing a little bit. But I'm back. I have another daily outlook video for me, for you, for the channel, for me, for documentation sake. I just wanna, reanalyze the trades I'm in. Just for, when I reanalyze, I look at the charts again, I walk through why I got into trades. I remember stuff better like that, so I'm trying to find the right words. They say the ones who teach learn the most, so I'm kind of reteaching myself or reanalyzing what I did today. So anyways, these are the trades I'm in, or there are some pairs that I just found a good setup, but I'm not in the trade right now. So anyway, so yeah, this is the trade I'm in. I was in hit take profit. Actually, profit level was like so. So the profit literally hit like exactly. This was a, I eventually ended up. I talked about this trade in the previous videos. I entered this trade because GBPJPY was going up, and I bought based on emotion that I'm never gonna do again because I didn't analyze anything, so I just bought, and I bought exactly at the top of this wick, and then shortly price came crashing down. So I was thinking about exiting this trade at break even, but then I saw that it might be going up, and eventually did. And I made €9 of play money with this. This is the trade. Euro AUD. I don't remember if I'm in this trade right now. Euro AUD. Yep. Okay, I'm in. It's in a bit of a loss. Trying to remember why I got into this trade. So on the daily it looks like it's in an uptrend, but more recently it's a downtrend. So I was thinking about selling to this trend line, and looks like there's a one hour trend line here. So I just thought I might sell it to the trend line. It looks like it's raining a lot. We'll see how that goes. I'm currently in this trade. Gold hit my take profit. On the daily we seem to be in an uptrend, and we were just at the trend line and we hit previous support, so I thought about buy to the next. I was thinking what I bought this trend should be over here like this, yeah. So it hit my take profit. It was like 75 pips. Okay, cool. But I was just in it for 1 microwatt, so like I made like €6. Yeah, €6. So yeah, this is what I bought. I'm thinking price might revisit this big wick over here. So this is my bias. My bias is still bullish. But yeah, this trade played out nicely. NZD CAD. I got this. I'm in this trade with real money. I got this trade from Nick Sean. Pretty straightforward. Downtrend on the daily. Broke resistance and retested it, so I entered here. So that's basically it. Looks like it's going down. So this is, I'm in it with play money, with real money, so I'll have that account open over here. So AUD USD. We're in a downward channel. We are in a downward channel, but you know, more recently price is going up. And, I'm thinking it might go to this trend line. So I entered a couple of buys. This buy played out nicely. You know, broke and retested previous support, you know, horizontal levels. Pretty straightforward. I was in this trade with 5 microlots. Closed 3 microlots over here and put a trading stop on it. And the trading stop hit. So this was my gain. But then I saw that price came to revisit this previous support, so I thought it might shoot up again because, you know, break, retest, spike is usually what they say. I ended up playing nicely, but it's crashing down. It's not gonna hit my stop loss anytime soon. It has to break, you know, 2 support levels. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I'm not gonna exit the trade anymore just because, you know, price reversed. You know, price might come back to the support level and easily shoot up, you know. One thing I found in trading with is pretty cool, you know, you can copy patterns, you know, like this. So this looks pretty similar. I don't know how relevant this is, but looks pretty similar. Price going up, shooting down, price coming down, shooting up, coming down, shooting up, shooting down a bit, and going back up. So yeah, this looks pretty similar. I've never used this before. It looks pretty cool. Anyway, I just found this. So you know how they say that history repeats itself. So I'm thinking, you know, why not use this strategy for a while, a bit. Looks like it's acting pretty similar. How cool is that? So I'm currently in this trade. We'll see how that goes. USD CAD. So I started writing some notes just for argument's sake, so I don't know why I entered the trade. On the daily, it looks like it's a downward channel, but it's moving pretty sideways. Really weak downtrend. But I was thinking of buying to the trend line. Oh no, it's currently at the pretty major support resistance. So you know, you never know what price might be doing here, because it's been in a range for a while. So we could be due for a breakout, come revisit these highs again. But then again, who knows, price might just shoot down to this trend line over here. So it's been ranging like crazy for the past few days now. This is February 3rd, today's the 6th. It's been ranging for 3 days. I did see bullish hidden divergence on H4 on RSI, so that's why I entered the buy trade. And that's pretty much it. Because there is, a retest of previous support levels. If you look at the real left, if you look at here, there's a major support, major resistance level, so price is kind of ranging at this level over here. So yeah, that was, broke previous support, resistance, whatever, retesting like crazy. And I saw bullish hidden divergence. Bullish hidden means trend continuation. So I was thinking it might go up, but it's been ranging like crazy, so no clear price action yet. Euro USD almost stopped me out, but this is actually where I found trend and price pattern stuff. So I was thinking, looks like this looks like pretty similar, extend it out a bit. Oh, you can. Oh, cool. Oh, this is fun. This is really cool. Price seems like it's acting really similar. I didn't know you can do that. That's fun. That's cool. Okay. So let's check out here from here to here. So I was checking this out earlier. It seems like it's acting really similar. You put this here, this here. This looks like pretty much like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not worried right now because let's see, how worried is this? Is there some kind of level here somewhere? Well, it kind of is, here's price stopped here, so it's at a previous low, whatever. I'm not gonna exit the trade. Price ended up doing exactly what I thought it might do. I had my levels drawn wrong. This was over here. It's better on the monitor. This level was over here, and I had drawn this thing. I drew this. It was like, I don't know, price was over here, yeah, so I thought it might go down like this. And it ended up going down, but I think I drew my levels wrong because if you put this level here and put this over here, it's exactly what price was doing. Broke and retest the level. So, and I had a sell position. Yeah, this is sell. I was thinking about entering a sell when price it might do this, but it never retested this level, or it retested this level. This is what price ended up doing. So I was kind of right, but I draw my levels wrong, and this this price pattern ended up giving me an idea to enter this trade, because kind of looks similar, you know. Let me put this over here, or over here somewhere, you know. There's big wick, then price ranging at a support level, and then breaking and retesting, you know. Kind of like the stuff that happened here. Big wick, price consolidated, then broke, retested, then went down. So it hasn't went down, you know, quite that hard yet, but I forgot where this was. Here, whatever. But this trade was a bitch to enter, because it had bearish hidden divergence on the 1 hour time frame for both RSI and OBV. Price was over here when I entered, over here, and it had bullish hidden divergence on H4 for RSI and OBV. So no clear signal from divergence. It could go either way, but I figured since this was a GBP pair and GBP USD ended up stopping me out, so I thought that this might go down as well. Although I did enter a buy trade in the GBP USD because I saw bullish divergence on the daily for RSI and OBV. This was my idea why I entered this trade. Looks like we are in an uptrend on the daily, and even on the 4 hour, you know, you can see an uptrend here. And price has tried to break this level like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So I figured if it failed 8 times, why should it succeed on the 9th time? Although the two people I follow right now, Nick Shaw and Justin Miller, both entered a sell trade, but as I spoke on the previous video, I don't have that trade on here anymore, I think. But I entered that was a GBPJPY, yeah, GBPJPY trade. Then Nick Shaw entered a sell and I entered a buy, exact opposite. So I turned out to be right and he turned out to be wrong. I'm not saying I'm smart, I just got lucky. Anyway, so I thought that, you know, why should it succeed the 9th time? It has tried to break this level like 9 times, 8 times before. If it had broken that level, it would have already done it. And we are on an uptrend on the daily and H4, so I thought that price might go up to this trend line or at those previous highs. But it ended up stopping me out and I lost like 20 euros. So that was painful. But it's only plain money, fortunately. So where was I? Okay, I talked about this. Here, AUD JPY. Pretty straightforward, I think. You know, we are in a downtrend on the daily. Recently price is going up. Kind of, you know, it's going down here, but still. Price is kind of moving up. And I was thinking price came down, found support, found resistance over here, broke support, retested, found resistance here, broke previous support, you know, came back up, retested this level, shot up, broke previous support. Here's a pretty clear level, you know, price reversed here, so broke this level, retested a couple of times. So I was thinking a buy, maybe, you know, until this big. You can't argue price has had sensitivity in this level, so I was thinking buying until this support zone. I'm currently in this trade. Looks like it's in red a little bit. GBPCHF. Was it? No. I'm not. Oh, this is one of those trades that I was thinking about entering. It looks like I still can, because, you know, price is still at this level. You can check the divergences right now, because price has consolidated for the last 2 days now. It hasn't done anything, so let's check out divergences. What are they saying? So RSI, nothing on the 1 hour. I only check 1 hour, H4 and day 1 and daily. Weekly and monthly are too long for me, and you know, you get too many false signals on the smaller time frames. So there's bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Man, this is bearish divergence. This is bullish hidden. Again, mixed signals. If I get mixed signals, I don't know if it's right or wrong, or if it's relevant or not. I try to look at past data, and if price has respected, you know, for this instance, price hasn't really respected the bearish hidden divergences, because, you know, it hasn't gone down. Actually, it did go down here, but it didn't go down here. Didn't go down here much. Did, but came back down, back up. But here you can see the price went up, price is going up. I don't know if it's relevant or if it's even right. Nothing on the 1 hour, nothing on the H4, daily, bullish divergence. There's bullish hidden and bullish regular divergence on the daily time frame. So those confirm my biases of this price going up. Anyway, I'm not a financial service provider. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just learning myself. I'm trading with a demo account. These trades are all basically on a demo account. So take everything what I'm saying with a grain of salt. I'm not a professional trader yet. I'm just documenting my journey and reanalyzing, so I can, you know, I'm trying to find the right words. So it, you know, okay, I have to look up what I'm trying to say. I remember stuff better when I reanalyze and, you know, re-talk it to myself, whatever, I don't know. Anyway, UNZD. Okay, this didn't end up doing what I thought it might be doing. Kind of did, but, you know, at a different level. So price was over here when I drew these lines. I was thinking if it breaks this level. So okay, let's see, daily price is kind of in an upward channel, very weak channel. You can almost say it's ranging. Recently it's ranging here as well, so in the 1 hour you can see it's going up. It's a recent major high, so it's tried like several times to break it, hasn't succeeded. So I think I looked, but I didn't see any divergences either. So I thought that, you know, when this price breaks this level and retest, then I'll enter buy. But you know, stayed away, right? I stayed away for now. So yeah, that's everything from my trades right now. Also, I wanted to mention something I found that was interesting to me. I found that for time frame it was, I think it was this, yeah. GBPCHF and GBPJPY are really, the price between those two are really similar. You know, 1 hour from February 4th to February 6th, right? Where are we now? Oh, it's 6. When I arranged my pairs so that when I'm done looking at the major pairs, I was thinking these are the pairs that are the minor pairs. I put the GBP pairs on top because they are the most volatile, and followed by the Euro pairs. So when I'm done analyzing the major pairs and I have time, so then I'll check the GBP pairs because they're the most volatile. So when I went through them, I analyzed this pair and I clicked on this pair, and I thought to myself, wait, did that change? Because the price action is like really similar. Really similar. Even the, you know, the spikes on the prices, you know. There's a spike down, here's a spike down, spike up, here's a spike up, and even on the day, if you zoom out, even the spike up is like really similar. You can see it too, right? So yeah, this is that. I just wanted to touch on that subject as well. Maybe you guys already know this, maybe you don't. Anyway, I'm just documenting my journey. Just wanna, and I know I keep saying that, but yeah. Anyways, this video is already half an hour long. I think I'm gonna go through the major pair as well, but I'm gonna do it in a different video because this is already half an hour long, and yeah. Anyway, that's the things I wanted to say and document and let you guys know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.